Property prices, they're always of big interest in this country. Well, they're still increasing, but the rate of increase is slowing down. In the year to November, prices were up 6.6%. Now, that's a hell of a lot, but it's way down on what it was previously. In 2024, for example, we had double-digit increases. What's happening here? Well, buyers, particularly first-time buyers, have just hit a point where they can't afford to buy anymore. Prices have gone up so much that affordability is now a big, big issue. The typical or median price of a house in the country is now €384,000. Obviously, much higher on the East Coast, lower in other areas. But that's a real problem for people. It's up about €60,000 in the last 2 years. So affordability is an issue. The jobs market, it's still doing well, but it's slowed a bit. So people have hit a point where prices have raced ahead so much that they're struggling to raise the funds to buy them. Demand is still very strong. We still have a shortage of housing, particularly second-hand housing. Not enough new homes are being built, but people have hit a point where affordability has become a major, major challenge.